Yeah, hello guys. You are welcome to today's tutorial, and today we are going to look through the SMSgo report system. Okay, so this is the interface, but then these are the files that we are going to work with. Okay, so these are the files we are going to work with, BS1 to the mock. Okay, so you only have to double click on this, then this one is going to open. So let me first close this and start it again. So you double click on this, then your file will be opening for you. So when it opens, you will get this notification that the file expires on 30th December. That is an expiry date I've given to the file. So I have 106 days before this system will stop working. So you click on OK, then you move on. Your interface will be open to you like this. So this is the interface. Okay, we have these tabs or these options over here. You click here to see our services that we are engaged in. Wow. Okay, so these are okay. Now if you want to know what this is about, it will be written at the about page here. Okay, now if you want to log in as a user, you first need to sign up. Okay, so you provide all your details like this. If you provide nothing and you click on create, it will ask that name is required. So you just provide your name and staff ID, enter, then telephone number, enter. If you click on create, it will ask username is required, so you need to provide a username. So so Charles, then password, it will still password is required. Okay, so let's say Charles will still be your password 123. So this is your password. So you click on create, then registration successful, then you can click on click me, then you can come to the login. You click on this drop down, you select your name, then you provide the password you gave. Okay, then you click on sign in. So sign in successful. So when you sign in, it will send you to the dashboard where you can get access to the content on this page. And we are looking at the report system. You see, this is an SMSgo, a school management system, and we are working on all these. Okay, we'll add a lot, but we are concentrating on the report system for now. So you can also go back to the home page by using this tab, this button here or icon here. So you click on report system, then the report system will open for you like this. Okay, so this is the report system, primary and GHS. I get it. And this count the number of males and females and give the total for all the classes and gives the total student for GHS and for primary. And so we'll add another tab, another cell here, which is going to calculate for all the students in your school. Okay, so now we are going to work with primary. Okay, so you click on registry. The registry, let's say BS6, the registry, that is where you are going to write the names of your student. You can just write it in any order. After that, you can just click here and arrange them. Okay, you see, when you arrange them, it will affect everything here. So you click here and arrange them in order. So it will just change everything. Okay, you see, it will change everything. So you need not to worry much. After typing everything, you cannot consider the case. Okay, you just type it, and when it gets to the other sheet, it will be corrected, especially on the report system. It will be corrected as a sentence case or other cases that are required. So you provide the names, you select here and choose the gender, you type there or enter the attendance, you select this drop down, choose the conduct, you select this drop down, choose the attitude, select this drop down, choose the interest. Okay, after you are done, you can navigate through the rest here. Okay, good. We come back to the CA input, and at the CA input, that is where you see the names were typed as capital, but when it came here, it has been in a sentence case. You see, anything here cannot be edited, but you can edit something here by entering a simple password. So you provide the marks for the student, okay, and the exams as well for all the subjects. Then after you are done with it, you can navigate through the rest of the classes here. Okay, you come back. Everything computed here will come to the compute CA, and at the compute CA it will compute for the 50%, the 50% of the exams and the card. You see, it will collect the data you entered and compute the total 50% and 50% of exams, grade the student, and also position and remarks. Okay, for all the subjects that you gave an entry to, you can navigate. Wow, you can navigate through the sheet over here. It means that there's a lot of things I have to do over there. Okay, so when you come to the master sheet contains every information we need to see on the report card. Every information that we will need to prepare the report card: the name, the school, the address, the vacation day, the class teacher's remarks, head teacher's remarks, interest. Everything that we need on the report system has been summarized or collected here. Okay, so you can also navigate through the other classes here. Okay. So you come back. So that is for the master sheet. Okay, that's for the master sheet. So here too, it's not editable, it's just for view purpose only. So we come to the settings, you provide these details about the school. This side cannot be edited, okay, but these ones can be edited with a simple password. So this one I have to open it. Okay, I have to open all these ones. It shouldn't be closed like that. Okay. So you provide the details needed here. Come back. Then you come to the student report. We have the Excel report BS6. So we see it will be arranged, the data at the master sheet will be arranged like this here. So you select the drop down here, you choose the name of the student to see their report, you select here to see their report, you select here to see their report. Okay, good. So you can come back again, go to the word report. The word report is going to open. Let me close this. Yes. So when you click on BS6, it is going to look through the path of your system, the folder for the SMS. Go to all report and look for BS's report, and it will launch it for you. So let's click and see that. So you see it is loading, it is searching for the path. When it gets the path, gets the name correctly, then it will launch this word file for you. So you need not to go and do it with that process. You just click on that button and it will launch it for you. So you just okay. Good. So that is for the BSS, and that one we come to mailings. So you see there should be a connection between this and the Excel. So you come to use existing list, then you go to the SMS where your folder has been stored or kept. So we need this, so this is what we want. So you click on copy, then the link. Okay, so I'm looking for BS6 master sheet. So BS6 master sheet. Okay, so that database will be linked together and you have the record. So all these tabs are now activated, so you can just move forward. Okay, so the names will be moving with their reports, okay. So if you want to generate the student, you come to finish and edit individual document. Let's say the 1 to the 15 student. Click on OK. So it will open another Word report, another Word document, which contains all the 15 reports you wanted to get, each having their own name. So this is Siama report, this is Siama the Cassis report, this is Asari Hayford report, this is Aya report. So it will generate the report for the student. You just click on Control P, which is print, then come to your print preview, so you can navigate through, see. Then all you need to do is just click on print, and it will be saved as PDF, or you select your printer, it will be printed through your machine. That is that. You can save this, Control S, you save this as a backup. So that is how it basically works. So you can do the same for GHS. That is how it works. For the administrator, you come here, you type administrator password, username and password, and click on sign in. So the administrator also has the same thing, but then the administrator has privileges the users don't have. Privileges like on hiding the tabs and the ribbon, okay, and also showing the tabs and the ribbon. So you make a letter to show the tabs and the ribbon, then you do this, it will hide the tabs and the ribbon, and this one will unlock all the sheet that has been locked, so that the administrator can do the necessary editing that he or she wants to do. Okay, so we can make entries and do editing. So that is basically how it works. So I can close this, come back to the administrator. I have unlocked all the sheets, so I have to go back and lock them. So I have to lock them. So it means when you click on this, you can't type anything in the cell. The pages, everything has been locked. Okay, so these things I'm not done with it. So then we need to go there. Okay, so as I said, you can use this. You can use this also to access the files. Okay, so basically that's how it works. You come to the home page, then you click on this one, then close, then your system will close.